That was scary though.
Yeah.
Why does Cheryl like
This little-
step so loud?
His little nose. She's wearing like big boots.
Yeah, still walk a little bit quiet.
Boring. Okay, I don't know what the F I'm supposed to be doing. I need to get like a rope or something.
Yep. Because I don't know what else would get you down there.
Something has to work. Ooh. Yeah, this is like where I came from. Yeah, because the little vacuum thingamajiggy. So I guess I'll
Scary
just
vacuum.
yeah, scary vacuum.
The scary soda.
What's that from? Is that from something?
The scary soda.
I feel like is that Bloodstain?
No, it's just something that people say when you take a sip of soda and realize it's scary soda. You know?
What would happen if you took a big gulp of the scary soda? Yeah, this is
You know what happens when you drink scary soda. We all know. TikTok gave me a Silent Hill video. Knows. It's watching.
It's reading your mind.
Ah!
This looks new. What the hell? Looks like there's a picture here before, only captions around it.
No.
Okay, well, there's doors.
Doors?
Yeah, doors. A screwdriver!
Yeah!
The real question is, why do I need a screwdriver? That's so cinematic. Another fucking... Okay.
Interesting. Bunch of paintings here.
I bet this one does less damage, but is really fast. Watch.
Yeah. Let's check this stuff out.
I don't remember getting like katanas and shit in Silent Hill 2.
I remember I watched like the very beginning. You had like that wooden board or a bat.
Yeah, you had a wooden
And
board
that
and
was
a
it.
handgun, but I guess I didn't make it that far.
Just use the katana. I feel.
Yeah, that's all I need. I need a fucking sweet katana. Okay.
Now this is Silent Hill.
Oh. Oh my god,
Story of my life.
Story of my life. I'm Leon F. Kennedy.
Yep. Leon.
And today you'll hear the story. I'm gonna cut you. I'm gonna cut you.
I'll chop you up.
With my katana. Oh shit, he dodged it. We're dodging.
It's not legal. That's so fair! Me.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
Scary stuff.
I think I'm scared of you. Yeah, that's what I thought. Run away.
Run away, little slim.
Uh-oh.
What was that?
That was the big guy again. He came back.
Big man back in town. Daily reward claim now.
Okay, you don't have to attack me.
This
You're
is just
nothing.
cruel. This is just
Okay.
messed up.
Pretty sure I can just gulp, 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 gulp. Okay, yeah, it doesn't go past dark blue.
Blue.
No, 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 you can't do this. Let me out. Shit. It's unlocked. Did that use the screwdriver?
I
Uh,
no. Wait, so you can open up locks now?
I guess,
Did you do
because that's just unlocked.
You're gonna check every door. There's a broken lock. Actually,
I don't want to.
no, if the lock's broken, it won't work, I guess.
But
I'm guessing.
I guess it just said it's unlocked, because I don't, yeah, I guess it, I don't know. I don't know.
Curious.
I guess I'll just check other rooms for, screwdrivers.
Yeah. Well, then use it.
Wait a second.
It's Marty unsafe walking around a tunnel like that.
Three. Okay, that's the one. Okay, I'm gonna check two, see if I can get in there. Nope. Okay, maybe somehow I can use the screwdriver on the elevator.
It'll stop you from falling.
Yeah. I'll like cling to the wall and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Can stop. Yeah. Got a little like too into just looking. I'm stumped. Like a tree. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna try and go back and check that one room because with all the enemies, I feel like there had to be something.
Yeah, maybe he was sitting on the big guy was sitting on the hatch or something.
Yeah, as he went. Fatty.
Fat.
Like, that's cluttered up. Doesn't even look like there's anything interested in. Okay. What?
Interesting.
Oh my god.
Oh. Wait. Screwdriver.
Wait a second.
Screwdriver. Yes!
I'm so effing smart.
Smarty McGee.
Now I can hang myself. Whee!
What?
Okay. Dude, I'm just joking. Don't take my joke seriously.
Worry for you sometimes, man.
I wouldn't actually kill myself.
Okay, man.
Go.
Better for
I use. Whoa! It added a PNG.
No way. Let's go!
No. Why would I do that?
Let's play some Gobble.
Oh!
Oh.
Whoa!
It's nice down here.
It's quiet. Almost too quiet.
No! Okay. Go! Cola.
Okay.
Probably nothing scary is done. guess a screwdriver just wasn't anything.
I used to open the thing.
Or, like, other than that, it wasn't the reason that door unlocked. Curious.
I guess. Echo?
What?
Hello?
Anyone there?
I hope there's no creepy people in here. I hate creepy
No
people.
creepy crawlies.
Oh, wow.
So when's the detective gonna show up again?
Probably when I
Wait
get out
for
of
the
Nightmare World. Super
Of
scary
evil
place.
world. You get out of Silent Hill. Oh
Silent
yeah.
stupid.
Silence. Dumb.
Look ahead. Ooh, I could take a poopy.
Oh.
Thought that was a skateboard. Whoa, shredding.
Explosive something.
I doubt I can go through. Oh, haha, I unlocked it.
Nice.
Cheryl,
Nice.
look
Nice.
forward.
Bitch.
Oh, god damn it, I can't use it. Where does this lead? Another,
Another. So you're in the toilet store.
I'm gonna turn on this toilet for no reason.
I knew it.
Oh.
Oh! 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 Shit! Shit!
Run! Run!
Stop!
No!
Stop it!
Evil world!
No! So is he gonna be even more evil now, or what? Please be a no, please be a no.
By the other world, by a world of someone's nightmarish delusions come to life.
Oh, god damn it, I'm in Nightmare World. As if it
Scary
wasn't
place.
already spooky. Yeah,
Scary
so
world.
what the fuck was going on? So that was the normal world, but there were evil monsters?
Did she do this too?
Oh. How pleasant this is.
This is a bit scary.
Ugh.
I don't like this.
This is a little spooky. Hello? Hey. What the fuck? You're gonna drop your baby! Be careful!
Yikes! Oh!
What the hell is that? Damn! Okay.
It's Grimbo. Oh yeah. Slot.
Rimbo's throwing it back. Okay, let's get out of here.
Grimbo.
Resident Evil!
Oh! Where evil has taken residence.
See, there was a plant, so I thought it was Resident Evil. That's a
Yeah.
note. Find the Holy One. Kill her?
What?
Oh! That's me!
What
That's
the heck?
creepy.
Oh.
Ooh. Mental clinic?
Okay.
God damn it!
Silent Hill 2.
Silent Hill, stupid. Who the F are you?
Leon!
Louise?
Oh,
That's what you're called now, isn't it?
What?
it
Who are
isn't
you?
it.
The name is Vincent. Don't forget it, okay?
I didn't
I'm
hear
on your
it.
side.
So you say. But how do I know you're not with her?
Her? You mean Claudia? Please don't lump me
Huh?
together with her. She was totally brainwashed by that crazy old hag. Well, I guess crazy old hag is a bit harsh. She was my
What?
mother, after all.
My mom?
What do you mean?
What?
You don't remember? Ah, so Harry didn't tell you anything.
Here.
I guess he hid the truth to keep you on his side. Eh? That figures.
Or
He's a pretty sneaky guy.
Don't talk about my dad like that!
Sorry.
yeah.
I apologize. Please, calm down.
How do you
Don't call my dad Harry!
Oh,
He's got a pretty smooth body.
I know about your past, too.
Then tell me what's going on.
You
No.
don't know even that?
That's why I'm asking. If you know everything, then
So
tell
it's
me how I can
surprisingly
put an
good
end to
for
this.
PS2
yet.
game.
Why not enjoy yourself a bit longer?
Enjoy? I feel like I'm going crazy. Doesn't this place
I'm in
get to
Crazy
you?
World.
Oh, it gets
Evil
to me, all right.
world.
I find it most fascinating. Wait! I'm not finished talking!
Okay.
On her side.
How do you figure?
Oh no.
Wrong. You too.
You're all a mental case.
Oh,
Can I go back in? I don't think I'll go in this room. These weird guys in there. Okay. Damn, there's like 3 medkits.
let's go. Just got Ninja Sex Party on my For You page. Big day. I love you, Ninja.
When you pour diluted hydrogen peroxide onto manganese dioxide, oxygen is produced. Although oxygen will not burn on its own, it will help other things burn. Okay.
Okay. Go.
Well, that was stupid.
I was an idiot.
Oh yeah, there's like a, there's a, what was his name?
Grimbo. Grimbo.
Whoa, whoa. This is happening. Stop! Leave me alone.
Get away from me!
Why does nothing work? The lock is broken. Everything's broken.
What the hell?
Let me go!
Lock is
Stop!
broken in this world.
Fuck it. I'm using the
It's
shotgun.
your fault for being locked is it. Yeah. The lock is broken world. Them down. Oh. They live.
God damn it. Okay, one dog's dead, sure. But why is everything broken? I can't go anywhere. I don't care about the fucking crawly guy. He can just do whatever.
Yeah.
But this is just
he
back
can-
where I
he-
was.
Go after.
Where do I go?
Oh,
Maybe something changed. Is the fucking person holding the baby still here? What are you doing? Ooh. I'm stumped.
it's a dope.
All the every single door was locked for no reason.
Oh,
Yeah, hey guys.
Judd's. Oh,
Get up! Cheryl, get up.
what is it? You so.
Let me go. I didn't try out this elevator. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll just take evil elevator, I guess.
Silent. What if? Okay. What if you were in Scary Hill? Oh, instead of Silent.
Well, that would be scary.
Scary stuff.
Like, because it's silent, like, it's not scary. But if they called it Scary Hill, yeah,
It'd
lose
be
my mind.
over. You have to.
Which floor am I going to? I don't know which one to go to.
First floor. Get out of there.
Yeah, first floor. Okay.
No.
Clearly there's something. What the fuck am I looking at? What the hell is this?
What the hell?
There's a book.
Oh.
Can I... A book's lying here. Looks like a fairy tale. Nice
Huh.
to know.
Pick it up, you know. That's not cool.
Once upon a time, there was a monster living in the gates of a village. It was very scary and a very bad monster. It would catch people and crunch them up with its big teeth. The villagers were afraid of the monster, and no one would dare approach the gates. Everyone was stuck inside of the village. When the king heard about this, he summoned his knights. The knights eagerly rode out to defeat the monster. Aha! Take that! Their swords slashed and the spears flashed, but the monster wouldn't die. The monster tossed the knights into its mouth one by one, horses and all. What was the king to do? He was fretted and forced and paced the floor, but could think of no solution. Soon after, the village priestess came to the castle. She was very kind and a good person. The king asked her to defeat the monster guarding the gates. The book's torn, the rest is missing. I remember reading this a long time ago. Grr. Okay, still doesn't explain what this is.
Hit it with the katana. If you can.
Die! I don't know if I want to get close. I might do like an insta-kill thing. Is this the monster from that book? If it is, I don't touch myself. It'll fuck me up. I think I'll go. What's that? It's like there's almost like a whatever.
I don't like this.
I don't like this one bit. Yeah, there's like weird, like little guys. Someone's sleeping. Literally, that fairy tale put them to sleep.
Yeah.
Let me go.
Get me out of here.
Okay. As long as I
Who's
don't.
moving on the furniture?
As long as I don't wake. As long as I don't wake him up, it should be good.
If you do, you have the shotgun.
For some
in
reason, the
the
only thing in
face.
this fridge is a liver. Why? Pork liver.
Oh, pork liver. Jesus. I don't like the music.
I mean, there's some shotgun shells.
Yeah, and you have like 24. You can shoot them and hit them with the mace like you did the one time.
I can just probably like maybe grab it and run. Maybe. I don't know.
Also, is there anything on the other table?
No, I don't think so.
What is the music every time you look away?
I didn't mean to slap him! What the hell, Cheryl?